Hey guys, how's it going? This is Eric with Cali Rebuilds. This is our first ever video where we are going to show you the new 2022 BMW M5 competition package I picked up from Copart Auction down here in Van Nuys, California. So I'm going to show you guys throughout this video, give you guys a complete breakdown of all the damages, all the parts going into the vehicle, labor, and all the price breakdowns. So we're going to make this BMW brand new. Comes in a special nice gray color, charcoal gray. And pretty much guys, I've been rebuilding cars for more than 9 years now, and this is the first ever video where I'm actually recording, showing complete breakdowns of a rebuild. So let's do a walk around on this beautiful charcoal gray M5. As you can see, passenger side has some damage. We move on to the quarter panel. There's some damage there as well. Trunk, rear bumper, diffuser. This side quarter panel as well has damage. Down there by the door, some scratch. But the majority big accident, the big damage is right here. So as you see, when I take it down, you can see the damage, hood, fender, headlight, a lot of things that go there. And the rear suspension is back as well. The subframe is broken on the vehicle, but it's okay guys, we'll get this car up and running. It's nothing I haven't done before. I've done bigger projects than this. Let's take a look at the insides of the 22 M5 comp. Wow, no airbags deployed. Still got the stickers still left on. It's pretty damn clean. Take a look at the back. Got the driver's side headlight. It's working and tested on the car. It's the original grille from the accident. So it's been raining lately. Project's been on a standstill. Still waiting for the subframe from Canada. Guys have been lagging. Let's start this baby up. Oh man, see I'm covered. There you go. Let's first pop the trunk. There you go, we got power to the car. Now let's pop the trunk. There you go, trunk is popped. Let's turn this guy off and disconnect it. Let's take it back to the trunk area. Okay guys, just jump this baby up, give it a start. Oh, it's plates, bro. They left the original plates. Okay. Let's do this, guys. Let's go into the beast. 19,000 miles. Okay. That needs coolant. Very weird. But there you go, it started, guys. What I know, so this is the parts for the 2022 M5 comp. Got the front bumper cover, fender liners, bunch of plastics behind the grill, auxiliary radiator, the wheels, and a lot more parts. All we're missing is the hood. The car is gonna be moved to the body shop in the next few days. We're just waiting for the subframe from Canada. So stay tuned, guys. Subscribe and follow.